This beautiful piece of music is called Gao, which translates to better and better. During the Chinese New Year, you can hear this beautiful music in all corners of Guangdong province. This particular song was composed by the famous composer from Zhongshan named Liu Wanchang, and he is right here from Dahuan village.
Zhongshan, Zhongshan.
Dahuan village, founded in the late Yuan dynasty, has a history of more than 6 centuries. In the past, most villagers made a living by fishing and farming. During the late Qing dynasty, many villagers went abroad for a living. Until today, there are more than 1,100 overseas Chinese from Dahuan village, making it a well-known hometown of overseas Chinese people. Liu Wanchang is a master composer of music, highly celebrated here in Guangdong province, for he has written several pieces of music that have been sung for more than half a century, such as the song Ping Hu Chu Yue and Yu Ge Chang Wan, as it's stated here on the wall. This is the Liu Wanchang Memorial Hall. Liu Wanchang was a virtuoso in almost every traditional Chinese musical instrument, and his music illustrated the essence of Cantonese music. He was a virtuoso, especially on the gaohu, a traditional Chinese instrument that is right here on this wall, as you can see. Liu Wanchang is a productive musician. According to incomplete statistics, there are more than 270 records with the music played by him. As a musician who created the most musical pieces and the most popular works in Guangdong province, he has greatly promoted the development of Lingnan culture and Cantonese music. Hello! Hello! Dahuan village was transformed from what used to be a fishing village. The site where the village was founded is still here, the Shigu Park. Back at the time, the ocean water used to come right here to the shores of this park, and the fishermen would take off from this dock. But later, it became an alluvial mud flat, and the villagers could no longer make a living from fishing. So they cultivated the wasteland and began planting crops here. And as I'm walking through the lovely streets and alleyways of Dahuan village, I bumped into this beautiful home. So I'd like to go inside and check it out. So please come with me. Beautiful flowers, everything is so well taken care of. So clean and so tasteful. Very Chinese style. 你好啊，我叫雷卡多。我想你的家很漂亮，非常漂亮。对，我看到，我说了，我要进去那个家。谢谢，谢谢你啊，谢谢你，阿姨，谢谢你。哦，很好看，都是很好看的你。对。Here in Dahuan village, there are several fortress towers of different sizes and styles. Back in the day, overseas Chinese that were living abroad came back home to build these fortress towers to protect their homes from being looted by intruders. These fortress towers are a combination of Chinese and Western styles, with the archaic Chinese charm and the Western enchantment. And now I'm here with Mr. Pan. Mr. Pan is a musician from the Zhongshan Xiangshan Cantonese opera. And we're going to play a masterpiece by Liu Wanchang, the one called Gao, which translates to better and better and represents the striving for progress in the Cantonese province, especially here in Da Huan village. So let's see what this is going to sound like. Let's go.